Hello, today I'm going to show you how to choose the right size of your X-lite X803 helmet, motorcycle helmet. The size, in order to determine the correct helm size, try on helms of different sizes and choose the one which suits best the shape of your head and which you feel firm on, worn and fastened, thus ensuring a great comfort. Should the helmet be too big, it may slide down, covering the eyes, or turn slowly to the side while riding. Keep it on for a few minutes and make sure there are no points of extreme pressure that may cause pain or headache. And as you can see, if you're wearing the helmet and your finger tips is going under the frame and your skin is or your head is moving inside the helmet, the size is too large. This is not the right helmet for this person. This is not good because your eyes are hidden if the helmet is going over your eyes in front of you, as you can see. Now let's check another helmet. Okay, now put your head inside the helmet and good job. Now fasten the helmet, tighten it very well, and as you can see now the finger check. Oh, you can see the finger is going only, I think, 1 or 5 millimeters under the skin and the helmet frame. And as you can see, if you are moving the helmet, only the skin is moving, not the helmet itself. And as you can see, it's not hitting the eyes. Good helm, good shape. So it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.